this video, I will show you how to use Kimi AI. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go over to kimi.ai or access kimi.ai on your phone. And in order to start using Kimi AI, you need to log in to chat. So click on login and then enter your phone number in here, enter the verification code and click on login. Or you can scan this QR code by using WeChat. And after you are logged in, you are good to go. And how do you use Kimi AI actually? Well, it is pretty straightforward. It is really easy. You just need to enter a prompt. And after you have entered a prompt, you can click on send. And there are a couple of things that you can do while you use Kimi AI. So you can access the internet search, and this is only available when you are connected to internet. And you can also access the long thinking engine, as you can see. And this is basically the AI thinking out loud and typing that back to you. So you can ask various questions and actually make Kimi AI think about it. So you can go ahead and try that out. And there are also some other things that you can do. You can use a common phrase in here and you can paste in files. And this includes also images and stuff like that. And you can basically make Kimi AI read your files. But be careful with personal files. I would say do not put them in any AI engine because this can be dangerous. The AI models are being trained by everything that is prompted by users. So this will include personal information if you add that in the engine. So I would be careful with this, as I already said, but pasting in files can be handy if they're not personal and you would like some information on how to interpret certain stuff. So that are things that you can do. You can also download a browser extension of Kimi AI. And right now I am on Chrome, so I have a Chrome extension. And you can also have an Apple desktop version. You can also scan to download the Kimi AI assistant. You can browse your chat history in here at the left. You can start a new chat by clicking on this. And you can access the homepage by clicking on this Kimi AI logo. And that is basically everything that you need to know about Kimi AI. It is a Chinese AI model and it is really powerful. So I would say enjoy using Kimi AI. If this video was useful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.